Hey guys, how are you doing? Today I got a new package. It's something everybody needs it. Let's open it and you will agree with me. Are you ready? One, two, ta-da! Bebird. See? Bebird. We can see it on our mobile devices. It's like a drawer. Okay. And this is the instruction, the case, the body. And there are some accessories, blah, blah, blah. Wow, so many stuff. Okay, let's check. Okay, shapes. This is the cable, Type C. It's Type C. Can you see that? Type C. Let's open it. Let's open it. This is the body. So cute and smooth. 1, 2, 3. Bam. Oh, Bebird. What is that? Where is this one? Oh, maybe it's here. And there's another one. Okay. It has different sizes. Okay, it's a nice day. All right, let's open it. Press go. Wow, guys. Wow, guys. It's very clear. Can you see that? It can be a micro camera. Let me try this. Wow. It's so scary. Oh, shoot. Guys, you need this. You know, when I try this, I can see what's in my ear. Oh, wow. I've never seen what's inside my ear, guys. I don't want to show you this, but I can show you my hair. Maybe I can use this to check my skull. You know, I have the hair loss problem, and I can check my skull. And I can also check the new hair. I found another function of this Bebird. Great, guys. I'll tell you more later, okay? This is the unboxing of this Bebird. I think everybody needs this. So later, guys, I have to enjoy this. It's so cool. I feel so good with this Bebird. All right, later, guys. Peace. I'll tell you more in the next video, okay? Later, guys. Peace.